Bicolano Alacham Anglers Club, BAAC, have an announcement to make. Let's join the fun. First Caramoan Sports Fishing Tournament at Barangay Kata, Caramoan, Camarines Sur. For an onshore and offshore categories. Registration is open till April 25th, 2020. For more information, visit Bicolano Alacham Anglers Club Facebook page. This venture is in cooperation with the Municipality of Caramoan, Camarines Sur, Bicol Region Against Drug or BRAD, and facilitated by Bicolano Alacham Anglers Club, BAAC. Fish on, tight line, Alachamers.